The question: how many species have linear geometry but they should not have hybrid orbital with a d contribution? Got it? Let's check. Beryllium center, 2 valence electron, 2 chlorine, monovalent, 2 sigma bond, 2 hybrid orbital, linear geometry. So we have one, right? It is sp hybridized, no doubt. N3 minus, nitrogen in the center, 5 valence electron, 2 nitrogen, minus means 1 electron extra, 2 nitrogen attached. Nitrogen I know is trivalent. I know in the multiple bond only one is sigma, so 1 and 1, 2 sigma, 2 hybrid orbital. Of course, even this is linear, sp hybridized, so we have 2. Now look at this, nitrogen and oxygen. Who is less electronegative? Nitrogen. So nitrogen is in the center. Nitrogen means 5 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less electronegative has to be in the center always. N2O, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 nitrogen attached, triple bond. 1 oxygen is attached, divalent. I know in the triple bond only 1 is sigma. In the double bond 1 is sigma. 1 and 1, 2 sigma, 2 sigma, linear geometry. Of course, sp hybridized. So total we have 3. NO2 plus, nitrogen in the center, 5 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus means 1 electron less. Now we have a 2 oxygen, divalent. Double bond means only 1 is sigma. 1 and 1, 2 sigma, 2 sigma, 2 hybrid orbital. Geometry is linear, and of course hybridization is sp, so we have 4. Now we have a O3. Oxygen in the center, 6 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 oxygen attached, no. So 1 oxygen here, another oxygen here, divalent, right? So we have a 1 sigma, remaining pi, we don't consider that. We have a 2 bond pair and we have a 1 lone pair. When we have a 2 bond pair and 1 lone pair, the scenario will be like this. We have a 2 bond pair and 1 lone pair, oxygen divalent. We have a bent geometry, so not linear, so this cannot be the answer. HCl2, sulfur in the center, 6 valence electrons. We have a 2 chlorines. So we have a 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. So it's a structure of water, right? 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair, the structure of water. It's not linear, so this is not the answer. Then we are going to ICl2 minus. I know I is 7 valence electron, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus means 1 electron extra. We have 2 chlorines, so 2 bond pair. And we got 1, 2, 3 lone pair. So we got 2 bond pair, 3 lone pair, 5 hybrid orbital, sp3d. So d should not be considered, right? So I'll just eliminate it out. So then we have I3 minus. We have iodine in the center, 7 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus means 1 electron extra. We have 2 iodine attached. I know iodine is monovalent. So we have a 2 bond pair and 1, 2, 3 lone pair. So total 5 hybrid orbital. It is already sp3d. D contribution is there, so I should not consider. Now we have XeF2, xenon in the center. We have 8 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have 2 fluorines, monovalent element. So we have the 2 bond pair and total 1, 2, 3 lone pair. 5 hybrid orbital in together, sp3d, d contribution is there, so even I should not consider this. So total, we have a geometry linear 4 without having contribution from the D. So 4 is the right answer given at option B.